everyone and welcome to the Voices Foundation's virtual singing assembly. My name is Charlotte Brosnan and I'm so happy to have you with us this afternoon. Remember, you can join us every Friday from 1 p.m. for some fun and uplifting singing, and you can join us from wherever you are. Today I've got a really fun song to get us in the mood, but before we begin we need to do a warm-up. Copy me. Very good. Lovely. Now, I want you to pretend that you have a little buzzy bee in your hand. And as you know, a buzzy bee makes a sound bzzz. So we're going to have a play around with our little buzzy bumblebee. So when the bumblebee goes up high, the pitch goes up high. When it goes down low, the pitch goes down low. So I'll show you first. It looks a bit like this. Have a go. And very nice. Now let's see if you can paint your name with your bumblebee. So ready? Have a go. Very nice. Now let's have one more go. Make sure you go really low in your voices and really high in your voices. Off we go. Very nice. Lovely. So I'm going to sing a little pattern and then we're going to repeat it. So it goes like this. Bumblebee, 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 bumblebee. can do that with me. Off we go, bumblebee, 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 bumblebee. Then we go from the top downwards. It sounds like this. Bumblebee, 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 bumblebee. Can you have a go at that? And bumblebee, bumblebee, bumblebee. Lovely. Now let's have a go at going from the bottom to the top and then the top down. Off we go. Bumblebee, 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 bumblebee. Bumblebee, 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 bumblebee. Let's go here and bumblebee, 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 bumblebee. Bumblebee, bumblebee, bumblebee. Let's go here and bumblebee, 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 bumblebee. And bumblebee, 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 bumblebee. Well done. Now I've got a tongue twister for you. Can you say for me, busy bees are buzzing by. 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 Very nice. Now we've got some notes that are going to go with this. So listen to me and then you can repeat. Busy bees are buzzing by. Have a go. And busy bees are buzzing by here. Busy bees are buzzing by here. Busy bees are buzzing by. Make sure we've really got these zzz on our buzzing. Let's go here and busy bees are buzzing by. Very nice here. Busy bees are buzzing by. Even quicker. Busy bees are buzzing by. Then here. Busy bees are buzzing by. 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 Last one. Busy bees are buzzing by. Well done, everyone. Fantastic warming up. So we've got to our song, and I'm pretty sure you may have guessed what it might be about. This song that I would love to teach you is called Bumblebee Tuna, and it's one of my absolute favourites. So I'm going to begin and I'm going to sing it to you and then we will learn it. It goes like this. Yum yum bumblebee, bumblebee tuna. I like bumblebee, bumblebee tuna. Yum yum bumblebee, bumblebee tuna. I like tuna made from bumblebees. So it's a very funny song all about saying tuna is made out of bumblebees. Now I'm going to sing it first and then you can repeat after me. It goes like this. Yum yum bumblebee, bumblebee tuna. Yum yum bumblebee, bumblebee tuna. I like bumblebee, bumblebee tuna. I like bumblebee, bumblebee tuna. Yum yum bumblebee, bumblebee tuna. Yum yum bumblebee, bumblebee tuna. I like tuna made from bumblebees. I like tuna made from bumblebees. Now you might remember some of those rhythms that we started with when we were clapping and using our feet as well. I was clapping those rhythms. So let's try and put the first two bits together. I'm going to sing them first and then you can repeat after me. Yum yum bumblebee, bumblebee tuna. I like bumblebee, bumblebee tuna. Have a go. Yum yum bumblebee, bumblebee tuna. I like bumblebee, Next bit. Yum, yum, bumblebee, bumblebee, tuna. I like tuna made from bumblebees. Yum, yum, bumblebee, bumblebee, tuna. I like tuna made from bumblebees. Well done. Now you might have noticed that the first part and the third part are exactly the same, so that makes it easier. Let's have a go from the beginning to the end. Let's have a go at singing it twice. So if you haven't quite picked it up the first time, you can join in the second time. Okay, off we go. Yum, yum, bumblebee, bumblebee, tuna. I like bumblebee, bumblebee, tuna. Yum, yum, bumblebee, bumblebee, tuna. I like tuna made from bumblebees. Yum, yum, bumblebee, bumblebee, tuna. I like bumblebee, bumblebee, tuna. Yum, yum, bumblebee, bumblebee, tuna. I like tuna made from bumblebees. Very good. Now, hopefully you've picked that up. I think it's time we try this in a two-part canon. So what's going to happen is I'm going to start and then you can come in after I've sung Yum Yum Bumblebee Bumblebee Tuna. So I will start and then you come in and we will do it 2 times round. So give it a go. And if you haven't picked it up yet, just sing with me. That's absolutely fine. So I will start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yum yum bumblebee bumblebee tuna. I like bumblebee bumblebee tuna. Yum yum bumblebee bumblebee tuna. I like tuna made from bumblebees. Yum yum bumblebee bumblebee tuna. I like bumblebee bumblebee tuna. Yum yum bumblebee bumblebee tuna. I like tuna made from bumblebees. I like tuna made from bumblebees. Well done, everyone. Now that can also go into 4-part canon. And I thought I'd tell you a quick fun fact that I learnt about bumblebees. They have 5 eyes, can you believe it? And 6 legs. Now I wonder if you can look up some facts about bumblebees. I really hope you enjoyed Bumblebee Tuna. It goes down like a storm. It's brilliant. So teachers, you can use this song for Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2, and it explores unison singing, 2, 3 and 4-part canon and syncopation. Students, there's another famous song about bumblebees and it's called Flight of the Bumblebee. Maybe you can have a listen to that. And why don't you have a go at counting the bumblebees you can find in your garden or the next time you go to the park? Or another idea is that you could grow a sunflower which encourages bees to visit your garden. Well done everyone, that was some lovely singing. Thank you so much for being with me today. You can join us every Friday at 1 p.m. for another virtual singing assembly. And make sure you click on the subscribe button below to make sure that you don't miss out on any of our exciting content. And remember, you can download our Beyond the Sings resource in the description below, where information about this song, warm-ups and activities can be found. Thank you so much and happy singing!